Radishes, often underestimated for their simplicity and quick growth, can actually be some of the most profitable crops for both beginner and experienced farmers. When it comes to boosting profitability in a small gardening space or scaling up for larger markets, selecting the right radish variety can make all the difference. In this detailed guide, we're exploring the top 5 most profitable radish varieties, highlighting what makes each variety stand out in terms of growth, yield, and market potential. Let's begin with the cherry bell radish, an absolute classic that's favored by countless market gardeners around the world. Cherry bell is prized for its rapid growth, with harvests ready in just 22 to 28 days. Its bright red skin and crisp white flesh have universal appeal, making it an easy sell at farmers markets, grocery stores, and restaurants alike. One of the key profit boosters with cherry bell is its reliability. It has high germination rates, uniform roots, and resists bolting, even as weather warms. The flavor is mild with a hint of pepper, ideal for both fresh salads and snacking, which further increases consumer demand. For those looking to maximize their income with multiple harvests per season, cherry bell is hard to beat. Next on the list is the French breakfast radish. This elegant variety stands out with its appealing oblong shape and two-tone coloration, bright rose tops fading into crisp white tips. French breakfast radishes are ready in about 25 to 30 days, offering a quick turnaround that's essential for profitable market gardening. Their unique appearance attracts chefs and culinary enthusiasts looking for something visually striking on the plate. French breakfast radishes also have a delicate, slightly sweet flavor and a satisfying crunch, making them versatile for a range of dishes. The consistent size and shape allow for easy bunching and attractive displays, helping growers command premium prices at markets. Their popularity among high-end restaurants ensures a steady demand, which enhances their earning potential. For growers interested in something beyond the typical red radish, the watermelon radish, formerly known as red meat radish, presents a lucrative niche opportunity. At first glance, it looks completely unassuming, with pale green skin, but slice one open and you'll reveal a vibrant magenta interior resembling a mini watermelon. This unexpected burst of color and sweet, mild flavor instantly grabs the attention of buyers. Watermelon radishes take longer to mature, often 55 to 60 days, but their size, often 2 to 4 times larger than typical salad radishes, and visual appeal allow for higher per-unit pricing. Specialty grocers, creative chefs, and health-conscious consumers are all attracted by this unique variety. While the longer growing season is a consideration, the premium prices and high demand in food trends make watermelon radish one of the most profitable specialty options on the market. Turning to larger root crops, the daikon radish offers tremendous profit potential, particularly for growers serving Asian markets or health-oriented communities. Daikon radishes can grow quite large, often over a foot long, yet remain crisp and juicy even at their full size. They tend to have a mild, sweet flavor and a refreshing crunch that's perfect for pickling, salads, and cooking. From a profitability standpoint, daikon's ability to grow substantial root mass means they deliver more food per square foot than most radishes, providing more product to sell from the same growing area. Another advantage, daikon grows well in cool and warm conditions, extending the potential growing season and offering flexibility for succession planting. Their popularity in global cuisines, combined with their detoxifying and health-boosting reputation, ensures strong, diverse market demand. Finally, let's highlight the Easter egg radish mix, a vibrant blend of red, purple, white, and pink roots, all in a single sowing. This mix embodies everything that makes radishes profitable: quick maturity, high yields, and irresistible eye appeal. Easter egg radishes add a sense of fun to any farm stand or CSA box, grabbing the attention of both children and adults with their cheerful variety of colors. The different hues are subtle variations on the classic radish flavor, ranging from sweet and mild to mildly spicy. From a business perspective, the color mix lets growers create bunched displays that stand out, helping to move more product per visit and often justifying a higher price per bunch. Since each root matures at roughly the same time, harvesting and packaging are efficient, maximizing labor productivity. a key consideration in boosting overall farm profitability. So, what makes these 5 radish varieties the most profitable? It's a combination of factors: short time to harvest, high germination rates, strong consumer demand, adaptability to various climates, and visual appeal that drives up impulse purchases. Cherry Belle and French Breakfast provide reliability and fast returns. Watermelon, radish, and daikon serve niche and specialty markets willing to pay more for unique attributes, while the Easter egg mix combines the best of quick growth and visual charm for markets and local sales. To maximize your profits with radishes, start with healthy, nutrient-rich soil and consistent moisture. A shallow, fast-growing root like radish doesn't forgive drought or compaction. Succession planting every week or two allows for continuous harvests and steady market supply, keeping your product in front of buyers throughout the season. Focus on proper post-harvest handling, washing, and presentation, as radishes sell best when they're crisp, clean, and beautifully displayed. Also, consider growing to order for restaurants or local stores, who may pay premium prices for unique or specialty radish varieties, especially when supplied regularly and reliably. Emphasize freshness. It's one of your biggest selling points over shipped-in produce. In conclusion, radishes offer a unique blend of fast, reliable growth and wide market appeal, making them a cornerstone crop for profitable small-scale farming and backyard gardens alike. By choosing the right variety to match your growing conditions and market needs, whether it's the old favorite Cherry Belle, elegant French Breakfast, eye-catching watermelon, productive daikon, or dazzling Easter egg, you can turn a humble crop into vibrant profits season after season. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your produce offerings, these top 5 radish varieties provide a low-risk, high-reward opportunity to grow your farm's success.